A post-reading activity is the final stage of a reading lesson. At this stage, learners have a chance to use the language they learned in the class. You could also check their understanding of new words or ideas. This activity should be short and topic-based. In this clip, you will find out why it is a good idea to do a post-reading activity. You will look at how to set up a post-reading activity in the classroom. Look at the workbook. Complete the before-watch activity before you watch the clip. When you are ready, press play to continue. We are in Himanshu's class. We are now going to watch a quiz activity. Here, learners come up with the questions themselves.
You have gone through the lesson, and now I am going to divide you in groups. Okay? In group, what you have to do, you have to make questions from what you have read. From each group, you have to make 2 questions. First you will discuss, then a writer will be there, and the writer will write down the question on the notebook. Okay? This first 3 bench, first, second and third, you are group A. Yes, okay? So you will turn to this. Turn. Group A, raise hand. Good. Group D. Okay. Now select one writer from your group. One will be the writer who will write the question. All of you have decided writer? Yes, sir. Now you have to frame 2 questions. All of you will discuss and then you will dictate the question to the writer. Yes, sir. And the writer will note down. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Are you ready with your questions? Yes, sir. Do you know what you have to do?
Yes, sir.
You have to write down the scores in the box of your team. One person from team A will come here with the questions that you have made. Team B, C and D has to answer. Who will raise the hand first will get the chance to answer first. You have to ask only one question at one time. When team A will ask the question, team A will not answer. Now you come from team A. B, C, D, listen question carefully and you have to raise hand if you know the answer.
What is the meaning of deforestation?
Yes.
The meaning of deforestation is a cutting of trees.
Is it right?
Yes.
Excellent.
Why our human population have always been in flux?
Human populations have always been in flux because every day some people die while others are born.
What is human-made pollution?
As the population goes up, so does pollution of river, lakes, air, drinking water and soil.
Yes.
Do you agree? So, who is the winner? Team B. Okay, so have a clap for team B.
Lalit Prabha demonstrates an interesting post-reading activity. Watch carefully to see how this activity is set up in this large class.
Enjoyed reading the lesson? Yes, ma'am. Do you all want to play a game? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So this game is called Backs to the Board. I will divide the whole class into 2 groups. Yes, this side, boys is 1 group to my left, and this side on the right, girls is 1 group. One person from, say, group A will come and sit here. Dulari, please come. Dulari is facing the class and her back is to the board. If I write a word here, can Dulari see it?
No.
Alright. So, her group, that alright, or hints so that she can guess the word. If she guesses it correctly, her team gets 2 marks. And in the same way, I will write a word, group B will give clues, and if that person guesses it correctly, 2 marks. If it is wrong, 0 marks. Before starting, I would also like to have 2 scorers.
Blowing prize. Chip.
Yes. Someone from the boys.
Son of brother or sister.
Nephew.
8. And for boys, 6. Big hand to the girls group. Did you all enjoy the game?
What did you think of the 2 post-reading activities? What did we learn in this section on post-reading? A post-reading activity helps learners use the language they learned in this lesson. At this stage, learners recall what they have learnt. They also get a chance to check their understanding of the new words and ideas from the text. You can use a variety of post-reading activities like running dictation, quiz, or poster making based on the text. Answer the questions under Video Watch in your workbook. When you are ready, complete the other activities related to post-reading.